I don't know who to get. Retard. Look at him, Peter. She's slapping herself in the face with it. Hold on, hold on. And as soon as you throw it to Peanut, she slaps herself in the face. You're a retard, Bella.
He got double teamed. Poor Elvis. He got double teamed. No. Right here.
Come on,
Bella.
bring it.
Peanut. Come
Come
here.
on.
Peanut. Hey. Peanut.
Hey, Psycholita. Psycholita. Jesus. Back it up. Damn.
Who hit the face?
I don't know. Ratchet burn. Who the hell needs entertainment when you got this going on? Jeez. Yeah, people say they don't want dogs. Are you shitting me, man? They're hilarious. Come on. Let me have it, Bella. Let's go.
Bring it here.
Chill out. Bella, be nice. Let me get Peanut's face. Come on, Bella. Throw it up in the air. Jesus, Peter.
Oh!
Up. Wait a minute, I'm trying to get this thing back. Alright. Get it, Elvis! Come on, boy. Get it, fat boy.
He fell on his ass.
Get it, fat boy. Jesus.
Peanut? What'd you attack him for, Peanut?
Holy shit, man.
Bitch.
Oh, God.
Peanut. Bella.
Poor Elvis. Poor fat boy.
Why'd you get attacked? Your face is all wet, dude.
Come here, Peanut. Let me have it.
You're supposed to get it, Elvis. Peanut! God dang. Come here, Elvis.
Come here,
Okay, buddy.
fat boy. Come here, fat boy.
Get away from
Peanut, be nice. You act like you're so sweet, but you're a little devil dog. What's up with you, P?
Elvis. Elvis, get it. Get it, Elvis.
Here, Elvis. Get it, fat boy.
Elvis. Elvis.
Get it, Elvis. Get it, bitch.
You know what?
What the hell was that? Get it, Elvis. Get it, fat boy. Get it, fat boy. Get it, fat boy. Oh, Jesus, Peanut. All right, throw it up.
Come here, Albert. Oh, no, here.
Let's see, the Cocker Spaniel against the Pit Bull, and who wins? The Cocker Spaniel Devil Dog. Look at those big... Who's gonna win? You. Look at her tail. Bink, 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 bink. Bink, 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 bink.
Look what I caught! Good catch, Albert. And then those two both attacking. Ah,
They suck.
you two suck. You.
You suck.